What's up, guys? I'm here again with another vlog, and right here beside me, car part for myself. And go ahead, open it, and let's go check it out. It's kind of heavy. Pressure on it. So this is what it looked like. It's purple, black, and what else? Gold. So this has some camber if you want to put it in toe in or toe out. And the rest should be right here. Let me pull them all out. This is everything that came with. And I'm gonna go ahead, wrap it up, put it back. We'll see you guys when we install it. What's up, guys? So today is the day we're installing my coilovers. I'm gonna go ahead, head out to my friend's house, and we're gonna get it started. Hey.
Good, man.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Damn, Andrew E, is that you?
Hell yeah.
Andrew E, man, brand new queen, bro.
Come on, it's cool. Put it down, man. You want that?
Put it
Yeah.
down on me, put it down on me.
Ka naman eh.
Tama ka saan?
Ba't di ka na magpadala sa ano? Zoom.
Hindi, yung sinasabi. Ito na eh.
Ano mo gagawin? Guys, all my homies are right here. They're gonna help me out, take out off my stock suspension. Erickson.
My nigga.
Bernard's over there. And the camera.
Hey!
He's right there.
Hey!
And Kim. Behind the camera. We'll see you guys when we take out all the bolts. So right now we just have to take out this for both sides. We're kind of having a problem, so we took out this. I'm gonna take out this, just 2 bolts, and it should be good. So they already did it for me. So this is the coils for the back, the spring. So they already did everything. We just have to do the front side. So right now he's tightening up the bottom one over there. You can see it right there. He already did the end link. So now both sides should be good. So the strut is 2 inches, and then the spring will be 1.5.
Today! Ayan po no mga kaibigan, hindi ko nakikita yung aking sarili. Paano ba? Ayan pala eh. Kaigan! What's up po? Ano na, hindi ako kita. Wait lang, yung lightning. Kailangan ko yung lightning. Ayan. Hey, Ken! Hey! Hindi ka magsalita. Ang putang ina, ito na, ano? Yo!
So right now we're struggling with that spring, the back spring. Let me see if you guys can see that spring right there. It's kind of complicated. Plus the stud right here, separate. So right now we're trying to get the bolt on the sway bar, I think, to make sure that it fits, but it's not fitting right. Kind of struggling now. So we're doing the spring, 1/2 inch, and then the strut by itself is 3 inches, and we're just tying out the bolts at the bottom one right here. So this side, it's good. Hopefully it's good. Everything should be locked, and everything just has to be put back to normal. So we're just doing the other side, front in a bit, because it's kind of complicated.
Hey, yo, what's up? My name is Vincent. Yo, right now there. Joke lang, madilim eh. Man, relax. Gang, you know what I'm saying? Stole this shit, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, it's dark. Ooh, it's dark. Oh, there you go. Hey, yo, say what's up, man? Show them right now. Ayan to mga to. Dadaan po. Vince, say what's up, man? Yeah.
Right now, I'm installing the right side because we all did the back and the front. So right now, I'm just doing the right side. And let's see how it goes. What? What the fuck?
What's gonna happen?
Yo, what y'all do? Nigga tripping. No. Baliktad.
Gagi. JDM pag ganun.
The wrong side, look at this, look at this. Man. Take that.
Huwag mo na ako baliktad eh. Yo.
Ito pala yung clickbait mo dapat.
Ayun thumbnail mo, men. May init, 16. Hindi, kuha ka ng kan. Yung 16 na kan, men. Open.
Ayaw ko lumik na traffic ko yun.
Ba't yung gulong mo, men?
Napun nga eh, napansin ko nga eh.
Be. Ah,
Sige, men.
Tayo. Sino? Hecho. Ah. Wait lang, Jay, wait.
Uy, tangina, shit. Ganda niya, no?
Oh?
Tabi dyan. Shit. Paano picturean niya? Ay, tangina.
What's up, guys? It is done. It is lowered. And it's official. It's probably like finger gap. Not rubbing though. The back. Still one gap though. It's lit. It's clean in person though. Thanks to all the homies right there. Took us all day to do this shit. But it's sitting pretty good. I like it.
My respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like I'm Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like I'm booked, wet.
Right now, guys, we are here at Dim Sum. If you're from San Jose, you should try it out, man. Good. Muna.
Hello. Hello, Mom.
Hey guys, so right now we just finished eating and now we're gonna go ahead return all the tools that I borrowed from Winchester and Harbor Freight so I can get my money back and use that money to buy wood so I can still get to my driveway. I'll see you guys there. So hey guys, we are here now at Home Depot. We're gonna go buy me some plywood because look. Damn, baller. My bad, baller. The plywood section. We're gonna look for the perfect size. The dude's gonna cut it about 2 feet each, so by 4 pieces. So we'll see you when he comes back.
Like 8 feet. 8 feet? Just like cut in 4 pieces maybe? How big we each gonna get them?
We're just gonna cut it. So right now he's right here and he's gonna cut it. last piece. And now guys, we're gonna pay up and let's go.